Natural cure remedies, how to soothe that stubborn cough. A stubborn cough that does not seem to go away can be quite irritating, not only to your throat and lungs but also to your well-being when it wakes you up at night. However, natural and home remedies give relief to many coughs that do not clear up on their own. This week's master clinician, an experienced practicing physician focusing on upper respiratory infections, offers tips and practical advice when it comes to eliminating a stubborn cough. Number 1. Sweet relief, honey for cough suppression. Surprisingly, one of the bulking basic ingredients found in almost every kitchen, honey's potential as a cough suppressant becomes apparent. We got to learn that hot liquids with honey is soothing, especially hot water or tea with some honey and lemon. Not only does it possess an anti-cough effect in the short term, but honey was demonstrated to decrease nighttime coughing in children. Number 2. Hydrate and boost immunity with fluids. Consumption of various liquids, especially hot ones as hot water or tea, chicken soup is a great home remedy to the coughs. Warm fluids ease the pain of a sore throat, which is usually an accompany of a cough in most cases. Number 3. Gargle away, salt water for faster recovery. It is therefore recommendable to warm water and use gargling to reduce the extent of cough in the patients. The gargling solution can be prepared by dissolving about half a teaspoon of salt into a cup of warm water will dissolve to form a solution. Number 4. Embrace humidity, steamy showers and humidifiers. Along with temperature, high levels of humidity matter a lot in combating cough and congestion. There is added moisture in the air when one has a steamed shower, or when one uses a cool mist humidifier, which is helpful to counter respiratory problems. Number 5. Onion magic, an old wives' tale or a cough reliever. Though not scientifically proven, some swear by the use of onions to relieve coughs. Placing a cut onion in the bedroom before bedtime is a popular practice in Spain and France. While the mechanism remains unclear, the strong vapor emitted by onions is believed to offer relief. Consider giving this age-old remedy a try if you're open to unconventional approaches. Conclusion: balancing act for cough relief. Navigating a persistent stubborn cough requires a balanced approach. Natural cure remedies, rooted in common kitchen items, offer accessible and effective solutions. Before turning to over-the-counter medicines, exploring these home remedies can provide relief without potential side effects. Whether it's the sweetness of honey, the comfort of warm fluids, or the simplicity of saltwater gargling, these remedies provide an array of options to soothe that stubborn cough.